Looks pretty good. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I was just putting the name on. Beautiful day to paint. Yeah, nice day. Nice day. Beautiful. Hi, I'm Rob Robson. Just got to slip here.
Rob, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Ben Towler, harbor master.
Yeah, I heard you. I was gonna come down and say hi.
Yeah, good to see you.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you too, sir.
Thanks. Yeah, what do you think of the name? Life's the beach. Get it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I get it all right.
Well, I think so.
Yeah. Well, listen, there was a guy down here in slot 42, and then he had the same name. His boat sank in Hurricane Irene. Yeah. I wouldn't name. No. That.
What about, oh, I saw this. I thought it was funny. Real easy. Real easy.
Down there, the guy from New York. The FBI impounded his boat. Looking for drugs and what? Oh, you know. Tore it apart.
Well, okay, the other one I was thinking was a little bit risque, but harpoon tank.
Not bad. That's Lynn Chady's boat.
That's all right, I have other ideas.
Oh, all right.
What about cirrhosis of the river? Coral hygiene?
No.
Anchor sore?
Oh, unavailable.
Get a while they're yacht. Scooter or later? No. Oh, Neptune, lend me your watery power. Louis in the hood? Louis George. Woo! Girls just want to have chum. I like big boats and I cannot lie. Cursive Kamehameha. The magical fishery tour. You got whale. Whale, you were out. The Pequod. Highway to Hull.
No.
Starboard to heaven. I break for Cthulhu. USS Enterprise. The sailor with two masts. Labrador Retriever. Deck the hulls. Shark the Herald, Angelfish sing. Current events. Windward and stern steam. Deep boat. Octopi trawl stream. Davy Jones's locker full of beer and nautical weed. Squids are all right. New squids on the block. Love Ocean number 9. Murder She Boat. Raised by the Bell. How I Met Your Mother. Anchor Management. Seeing an Enemy of the State. Krill Bill. A view to a krill. Captain John Luke Picard. Lieutenant Commander Worf. Octopus. Titanic 2 Electrical Room. I only have one name.
Oh, do you?
The furious maritime ejaculation of Poseidon upon gazing on Aphrodite in her most radiant eternal beauty. That's available.